Hi everyone, my name is Chong Yang and my matrix number is 281955. My supervisor is Dr. Habibni Awang and my lecturer is Dr. Ali. Today I will present about my final project which title is LDXS, a mobile application, revolutionizing learning disabilities diagnosis approach. For my introduction, learning disabilities are neurodevelopmental disorders that are mostly diagnosed in early school age children. And for the traditional way of diagnosis, patients will seek help from doctors or experts in the hospital or personal clinics. This is time-consuming and costly, and resulting in delays of receiving diagnosis during the right age. So I decided to develop a mobile application which is Learning Disability Expert System to diagnose the learning disabilities. It's able to diagnose types of learning disabilities and provide suitable teaching methods to the user, which are teacher or parents. And for the objective is to design an expert system with specification requirements and a knowledge database about learning disabilities diagnosis. Second is to develop a prototype to diagnose the learning disabilities and also to evaluate the usability of the system to increase the accuracy of diagnosis. In this project, I use prototyping method to conduct the study. It includes 6 stages and also I conclude them into 2 aspects, which is design and development and also evaluation. For the first stage, requirement planning is to classify the functional requirement and also the non-functional requirements. For example, the functional requirements includes login, register, manage question, manage report for the admin, and also view report and also start diagnosis for the user. And then we goes to quick design, which is to design a low fidelity prototype. And after that, we will build our high fidelity prototype, which is the final product. And then we goes to evaluation. The user evaluation is to let the user test our application and then receive their feedback to refine our prototyping. This evaluation will keep repeating until the user evaluation result is satisfying, and then after that we will go to implement and maintain. This step is to uh, carry out maintenance after the application launch and keep the information up to date. And then for the evaluation and results, we carry out two types, which are user acceptance and also expert review. For user acceptance, we include 30 respondents, which are teachers, parents, students, and also target users. For the materials, we use Google Form and we distribute via WhatsApp and Telegram. And inside the questionnaire, we include 4 parts, which are demographic information, perceived usefulness, and also perceived ease of use, and behavioral intention to use. And this is some of the result. This is a pie chart of the respondents, and this is the graph of one of the question, which is using LDXX app would improve my productivity. And as you can see, mostly are agree and also most agree. And for expert review, we carry out expert review to 5 experts, which include 4 special needs teachers and also 1 speech therapist. And the questionnaire we use include demographic information and also 4 open-ended questions. And the feedback from the expert review is that our application have a user-friendly interface, but then it only applies on Android phone users only. So if it can apply on iPhone also, it will be better. And then for the teaching methods given, the steps are easy to be applied in the classroom, but then more open-ended questions should be added for accuracy. And also the report is too general because it only can apply to certain students. So for the conclusion and future work, more open-ended questions should be included to provide a higher level of result, as I mentioned just now. And the user interface can be improved by changing to a plain color because it is easier to be written and also better user-friendly. And the reports can be improved by adding more visualized methods instead of only words. For example, like a bar chart to implement the severity of the learning disabilities. And also, we plan to include a function that where the user can upload their students' photos so that they can classify their reports better. And this is some of the screenshot from our mobile application, which is the Learning Disability Diagnosis System. So this is a login page, and this is the diagnosis page, which include the questions and also the choice. So after they answer all the questions, they will generate the report for the students. And this is the report list for the user. And this is the report. And lastly, this is some of the reference from my journal. So as you can see, I refer from some website, which is the Association of America, and also some of the journal. So that's all from me. Thank you.